Today's video, we're going to be unboxing our Boxycharm Base Box for July. This just showed up at my door. It's Saturday when I'm filming this, and I was like, oh, I need to unbox this for you guys. So anyways, that's what today's video is all about. But before I jump into the video, guys, I've got a couple announcements regarding the dates for add-ons and choice dates. But I do want to give a huge shout out and congratulations to Jen Loves Reviews. She was kind enough, and Oprah was kind enough to send over the PR for her Metamorphosis lip trio. You guys, I actually have all three of these shades on today. If you follow me over on Instagram, you saw that I swatched them individually and then kind of morphed them together. You guys, this is so cool. It is absolutely, I love that they came out with this collab with her, and how cute. It came with a little butterfly that when you go like this, it flies. I was so excited over that. So anyways, huge shout out to Oprah, and again, congratulations to Jen Loves Reviews, and thank you guys so much for sending this over. This does go on pre-sale July 20th. I will leave a link down below for you guys to check out Gerard Cosmetics for the Jen Loves Reviews Metamorphosis Trio collaboration. And like I said, today we will be unboxing our July Base Box by Boxycharm. I'm always excited to be able to unbox this for you guys. They were kind enough to send this over to me to unbox and review for you guys. Now, as always, I always keep a link in my description box, as well as I will pin it in the comment section down below for you guys. If there is still a $5 coupon to put towards the add-ons, which we will talk about those important dates here in a second, I will also put that coupon code for you guys. I do want to let you guys know, if you do use my link to sign up for Boxycharm, thank you guys in advance. I do earn a little bit of a commission that I put right back into the channel for you guys. So let's go ahead, we'll get into the unboxing, and then I'll talk a little bit more about the important dates that have since changed for choice on your base box, your premium box, and add-on dates. So let's just go ahead, because I made the video intro really long, because it's okay, is what I tell myself, because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone. So we sit back, relax, we embrace this hot mess. Lord Jesus, I have way too much energy. Okay, let's go ahead and jump right in. I did go ahead and weigh this, and I will let you guys know, because I do receive this in PR, the premium and the base did come together, so I weigh them separately on my male scale. And the base box this month did come to 1 pound 2.3 ounces. Now, there's always a theme when it comes to Boxycharm, and this month's theme is sunshine. So Boxycharm Sunshine. I did receive a postcard in here that gives me a little bit of information regarding each item in this box, which has me super excited because it makes my job a lot easier when we receive these. Now, you guys have told me though, if you do have a Boxycharm account, they do email these cards, or they will have, I think, the information available in your account if you don't receive a card. But either way, the information is out there and available in your account or emailed to you. So now, as far as the price of the Boxycharm Base Box, guys, this is a $25 a month box, and you are guaranteed to receive at least $125 worth of products. Now, jumping into the box, the first item that I do see is by the Creme Shop, or Cream Shop. I think it's the Creme Shop. Anyways, this is the Next Gen Blender Set Duo. It does have a retail value of $22, and it says a duo of uniquely cut sponges designed to apply and blend cosmetics to all areas of the face, including those hard to reach places and a traditional brush or sponge can't get to. Easy apply and blend powder and liquid foundation for a flawless complexion. Now, you guys, I did not open this because I have been known to pop up some giveaways over on my Instagram as well as over here, so you might want to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Follow me over on Instagram so you don't miss out on anything. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, just saying. Anyways, let's go ahead and move into the next item that I see here. Now, this actual item that I'm going to talk about next is one that was a choice item. Now, when it comes to choice items, you do get to customize one item in your base box every single month. Now, it goes up about a month prior to when the box goes out. which, like I said, we'll talk about the dates a little bit later in the video. But the choices went up in earlier June, and one of the items was the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Now, a little bit about this. It's a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts that come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. The Vitamin C Brightening Booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. It does have a retail value of $49.95. You guys know I talk all the time about the importance of vitamin C. I always tell you guys, use it in the morning, use it in the evening. Put a little bit of retinol into your anti-aging arsenal, and boom, you're gonna have gorgeous skin. Also, make sure to always use sunscreen, just saying. So anyways, I have not opened this yet because I do have vitamin C serum open already, but this will be something that I will definitely try out in the future. Moving on to the next item that I see here is the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream. This is in the shade SCS10 Gold. So it does look to be one of those like cream type of product eyeshadows. So I think that the color is really pretty. It's a nice neutral type of shade. Like I said, I'm not going to open it for reasons that I said earlier. So did you hit that subscribe button yet? Did you turn on that notification bell? Why not? It is free. It helps you. It helps me. It's like, you know, it's a good little thing here. Just do it. Okay. Anyways, a little information. The sassy pants are engaged. Hi, welcome to the Hot Mess Express. A little bit of information regarding the Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. It says get both shimmer and shine with this cream eyeshadow. This lightweight decadent formula. I like that word, decadent. Makes me think of sugar and dessert. That sounds amazing right now. Anyways, quarantine life. The lightweight decadent formula is perfect addition to your glow. Apply a sheer layer for a soft, radiant daytime appearance, or add a few layers for a dramatic glowing effect. I think it is really pretty. You guys know that I do use these types of products. If you do have a little tip, if you do have mature lids, you can still wear these. I don't care what anybody says, you can still wear them. For me personally, obviously I'm 42 years old. I actually put, as you can see, I have shimmer on today. I put it more so in the inner to middle or 3/4 of the way of my lid. I don't put it in the outer portion of my lid just because you will accentuate some of the crepiness. So if you just take these little products and you just put them in the inner to like halfway point and just blend it together, it will look beautiful on your lid. So don't be scared if you do receive something like this and maybe shimmer is not your thing. I'm telling you, you can make it work for you. And in case I forgot to tell you guys, it does have a retail value of $25. Next item we see in here, and here I have my Ofra Cosmetics on. This is Alamar Cosmetics. I think I'm going to dab a little bit of this on here. I'm so excited to receive this. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. And a little bit of information, it does have a $15 retail value. It says Alamar Cosmetics is celebrating their 2-year anniversary by wearing their birthday suit. Wink. A universally gorgeous pink diamond dipped gloss. I have to put it on. Why do I do that? Every time something smells good, I cross my eyeballs. Do you guys do that? It smells like a delicious, yummy vanilla cupcake. I'm gonna dab a little right in the center. Ooh, just to get that, like, I don't know if you guys can see. Just a little bit of a gloss to it. Oh, it smells so good. So good. I love Alamar Cosmetics. You guys know that. I talked about it in a sneak peek spoiler, but I definitely am excited to see this in the box. And the next item that I did receive, this is the last item. This is the Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise palette. So it is a bronzing palette. You guys know on the sneak peeks I was not sure about that. So this is what it looks like up close. I did take the little plastic thingy off, and you do get a good mix of colors. Let's go ahead and swatch it real quick. Okay, so this is what the shades look like. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's go ahead and just swatch it on the arm. I know swatches don't tell the full story, but it at least, you know, gives you a little bit. of, you know, hey, this is what it may look like on my skin tone. So I like bronzers, and I feel like some of these shades are dark enough that you could definitely contour with it. So I'm not mad about that. Let's see a little bit of information on this palette. It does say that it does have a retail value of $30. The Bronze in Paradise palette is an addition to the much loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of liquid, cream, or other powder complexion products. So like I said, retail value $30. So like I said, this box is $25 a month plus tax, and you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies in here. Now, as far as the retail value of everything that I received in this box, and let's just go over it real quick. We got the bronzer palette, the sponge duo, the vitamin C serum, we've got the liquid eyeshadow, and then the Gerard Cosmetics lip gloss. Everything came to a grand total of $141.95. So my thoughts, overall thoughts on this box, I'll be honest with you guys, your girl was really hoping for some Hourglass. You guys know in the sneak peeks I talked about the Hourglass products, and I was really hoping to see that. I was really hoping to see some of the Sol de Janeiro because that is my jam, and I love Sol de Janeiro products. However, I am happy to see the vitamin C products in here. I am very pleased with this liquid lipstick, and I'm excited to try out and use the bronzer. Had I not already had my makeup on, I would have been using this. But I would tell you guys, overall, for $25 and to like, you know, a majority of the products, and honestly, if I did not already purchase the beauty sponges that I had purchased, if I hadn't already received a bunch of these in PR, I would be keeping them. But because I already have them in my collection, I want to give a little. You know what I'm saying? So I think overall this is a good box. I think that it is definitely worth the $25. Am I being a stingy little brat by saying, oh my gosh, I wanted the Hourglass and the Sol de Janeiro? Yeah, absolutely. Welcome to my channel. But I am pleased with what I did receive. I am very thankful and grateful to receive this in PR. So thank you again, Boxycharm, for sending this over my way. I do honestly feel like if I wasn't a YouTuber and I spent $25 on this box, I think I would be very happy with what I received in here, because these are good quality products, and it was definitely worth way more than $25. So I definitely feel like you're gonna get your money's worth as far as that goes. Now real quick, I do want to touch base as far as how the dates have changed for the add-ons and for the choice dates. So as far as the new information goes, it is also on my community section. So if you are subscribed to this channel, you will see that in the community section. So a little information, it says early access to the August base box opens on Wednesday, July 15th for Luxe and premium members, as well as wait list members. Now, they did say that July 16th is all access for if you only have, or meaning if you only have the base box. That is when your choice date is going to now be available. As far as add-ons go, it's same thing. Wednesday, July 15th, if you are premium and Luxe and a waitlist member for premium or Luxe, that is going to be when it opens up available to you as far as the add-ons go, and it will be available all access to if you only have a base box. That is when you can do your add-ons. Choices are also available if you have, say, premium and base or base and Luxe. Your availability is going to be to make your choice on July 15th, and on July 16th, that is when you're going to make your choice if you only have your base box. I think I repeated myself, but welcome to my head that is got 50 bajillion things going on inside of it. So as far as premium choices, premium choice opens up on July 20th. So like I said, if you want to sign up for any of the boxes, I will have the link down below for you guys as far as that goes. If the $5 coupon code towards add-ons is still available, I will put that down in the description box or in the pinned comment section down below. Like I said, a huge thank you to Boxycharm for sending this over my way to review for you guys. Like I said, said, I feel like it is a good box that is definitely worth the $25 with everything in here. And again, shout out and thank you to Gerard Cosmetics and Jen Loves Reviews for sending over these beautiful lipsticks. I mean, seriously, have fun, play around with them. Like I said, pre-sale does go up on July 20th, so mark your calendars for that if you are interested. And until next time, friends, follow me over on Instagram, Twitter, maybe TikTok. I haven't been as crazy over there on TikTok. I also have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, where I have been pretty much vlogging at least Monday through Thursday over there. I'd love to have you as part of our family. And like I said, stick around, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, because I always post things over in our community section to keep you guys up to date as far as Boxycharm goes and any good deals or sales that I may come across. I'll let you guys know over there. Anyways, be on the lookout for special little things in the near future. So until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye!